Minsan po gagawin natin yung People's Budget Review, kasama po yung mga civil society organizations. Tulad po ng pinangako natin, bibigyan po natin sila ng isang araw kung saan pwede nilang ipresenta yung kanilang mga suhestyon at yung kanilang mga katanungan patungkol po sa NEP.
Good afternoon to our partners from civil society and to our esteemed colleagues in the House. This gathering is a fruit of years of advocacy. I know for many of our partners here today, you have been advocating for a stronger voice in the budget process for many years. This is a milestone, and more importantly, this is a call to action. Naririnig po natin ang panawagan ng ating mga kababayan na mas maging bukas ang proseso at magkaroon sila ng mas malakas na boses sa pagbuo ng budget. In response to our people's clamor, and in support of the call of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and of Speaker Martin Romualdez towards increased transparency and public participation in the budget process, we are doing this People's Budget Review. We are forging stronger linkages among Congress, civil society, and implementing agencies to bridge gaps and improve service delivery.
This is the people's budget. This is not the House budget. This is not the government's budget. This is the people's budget. And therefore, the process of arriving at our national budget must be transparent, participatory, and accountable.
In this budget and in the years to come, we are bringing the Filipino back in the center of the budget process where they rightfully belong. Ang bawat piso ng budget na ito ay galing sa dugo at pawis ng mga Pilipino. Kaya magiging masusi po ang deliberasyon ng inyong Kongreso sa mga dadating na buwan upang siguraduhin na ang bawat piso ay mailalaan para sa ikakabuti ng ating mga kababayan. We need to do this for our country, and we need to do this for the Filipino people. Let's be partners in this, and we look forward to being with you in this journey. Maraming salamat po para sa Diyos at tayo.